Hello everyone, it's your options guy. Welcome back to another video. Man, what happened with Palantir today? It was supposed to go up to 40. That's what everyone's been talking about. That's what I've been talking about. It totally turned the other way around and just started tanking. So I had to sell all my shares. I was all in. I decided, you know what, I can't take this anymore. Sell everything. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm still in, of course. No, there's no way I'm gonna sell. Like, why would I sell? I think we're gonna do good in earnings. I think this. Honestly, I think this is just like a kind of everyone getting out a little bit before the whole lockup expiration thing. I don't know why the whole lockup expiration is it's kind of like clouding over the earnings kind of play. Usually with a stock, up until earnings, the stock is kind of slowly rallying. This happens like 90% of the time. Like the stock always like rallies up until earnings, and then after earnings it like goes up or it goes down. So it's actually kind of reversed. It's weird because so on Monday we actually almost went to 40 on Monday. We went up to 39 and then started descending from there. And I said that we would be around 35, 36 on Monday, and then from Tuesday through Thursday we would be bouncing from 36 to 38. So that was true up until today. Today we like went down from 36 and broke into the 33 category, and then so basically I had to think. I was like, okay, do I want to sell calls all next week because the premium's so high? So I would basically be making around $7 to $8,000 just by selling calls at different strike prices. So I actually ended up doing that in the beginning, but then I was like, you know what, I feel like Palantir is really gonna go up tomorrow. Like today plus yesterday, it's just been like red day after red day, and today was like a really big red day. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna sell these calls. Like I kind of learned my lesson last time from demo day. It's not best to sell. So tomorrow is the last trading day basically, because on Monday of next week it's a holiday, so you won't be able to trade. So remember that. And Tuesday it's the earnings, but it's on pre-market, so it's not like you have Tuesday to play with. Really, it's all pre-market. So tomorrow is really actually like the last day. So tomorrow I'm hoping for us to like pop back up. So if we start popping back up to like, let's say 35 or something in the morning, I feel like there might be some FOMO action going on for people to get in for the earnings play. So that might actually bring us up even more. I don't know if we're gonna reach 40 now that we're so low. I do see 35 to 37 if we're going back up, but it all depends. Anyway, so let's take a quick look at my portfolio and let's see how bad of a beatdown I took. So as you can see, basically my portfolio just dropped to like negative 15,000 today, and that's because I have all my money in a Palantir. I even have around 56,000 in margin that I'm playing with. So just throwing that in there. So today actually I saw that we were going back up after earnings, or not after earnings, after hours. So instead what I decided to do was do like one more YOLO play, because I did some YOLO calls yesterday, and I showed you guys that I had some YOLO calls at the $40 call. So my break-even price is $40.34, I believe. Let's see here, break even, yep, $40.34. So these calls will make me pretty good money if we break that $40 tomorrow. And it's actually, sorry, they expire tomorrow. And then I also bought some today at the $35 call. However, my break even is only 35.30. So I bought some at 35 strike for tomorrow. But these are kind of like YOLO plays. I wouldn't recommend doing this. If it does hit 35 or so, then that's good. I'll make about like 50% or more in the morning, depending on where it's at. But those are pretty much my options. My more safer options is the $20 call that I had. So this one, it's basically it's really in the money. So basically every dollar that goes up is like another $1,000 that goes towards this call. So this one I can actually hold up until next week, but if I do that, I might get hit with Ivy Crush, so I'm not so sure if I'm gonna hold it up until then. I might sell this one tomorrow. I'm planning to sell all of these tomorrow, most likely. But for my shares, I'm planning to hold at least till 40. Like I've been wanting to hold at least till 40. Like I feel like there's no point in selling underneath 40, or maybe at least 39, 30 around there. But I feel like right now it was a really good dip. So if you had any extra money, it was probably a good time to buy in. So anyways, let's talk about the whole lockup thing, because like every day I keep seeing more and more of the same question: when is the lockup expiration? Like I feel like you shouldn't be investing in Palantir, or I guess in general in any company, unless you do like your own research and make sure you know what you're investing in. But yes, so Palantir, you definitely have to know when the lockup expiration date is, and that's February 19th. It's supposed to be 3 days after the earnings date, which is February 16th. So just keep in mind that is the day. That doesn't mean that all the employees are gonna sell their shares. That's just literally like it's just a day where it frees up some shares to be sold. But that doesn't mean they're all just gonna like dump everything. That wouldn't make any sense. So just know what a lockup means, and know what it doesn't mean, because I think a lot of people are confusing it with everyone's gonna sell their shares on that day, and it's gonna cause the price to go down and stuff. And I guess that's why a lot of people are scared. So, and a lot of people want to get in after that day. So I would have said at least get in anytime there's a good dip, like more than 5%. That's definitely a good time to get in. So yeah, anyways, just keep that in mind. Anyways, and also this is not my trading station, by the way. I just set this up just to show you guys, or at least so I can see like what I'm talking about while I'm explaining things. But no, I only trade on my phone. Based on what I do, I don't really need like a lot of screens or anything. I just need like my phone, and I feel it's just faster on the phone. So this is not my trading station. This is just me, for me to see what's going on and everything. So yeah, so today was kind of crazy. Palantir was down around 8.5% at one point, but it came back up to ending around 7%. 7 and let's see, yeah, 7, almost 7 and 25%. So not too bad of a dip. Like some really scary dips could go down like 15% or more. So it did come back up a little bit, and in the after hours we're up on almost another 1.5%. So that's pretty good. So we had a pretty good action towards the end of the day, like the very last minute of the day, and also in the after hours. So it seems bullish for tomorrow. I honestly don't see why it wouldn't be bullish for tomorrow. Usually like the couple days before or the day before earnings, that's like when it's the most bullish, or at least people want to like bring up the price because there's so many buyers that want to trade for the earnings play. So I don't see why it would be another bad day. I think today was just kind of like a mix of like the market wasn't really like that that green. It was kind of green. Most stocks down, and I think Palantir was just one of them. And not only that, like a lot of people are scared with Palantir. Once they start seeing the price go down, they just want to get out. So there's a lot of traders, I would say. So they also tend to like cause that snowball effect of bringing down the price. But yeah, anyway, so I'm hoping for a good day tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's a good green day, and I'm hoping that at least some of these calls like print, so that way I'm not down too much. But yeah, overall 110,000 so far. It should actually be a little bit more because of the after hours that went up. So we'll see what happens and how we open tomorrow. But still holding strong. I hope you guys are still holding strong. If you like this video, please give a like, and make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, let's go ahead and comment. I'll reply ASAP. And yeah, let's just hope for a good strong day tomorrow. Peace out.